Welcome back. Now we will discuss how the search engine works. We already discussed about this topic in the introduction part. Just I will walk through this PPT. So the search engine is like I told you that search engine, I compare the search engine Google with the library in your college, and Google will get all the information. Yeah, Google will act as a library in your college, and whenever someone searches for something in the Google, some a keyword typing something in the Google will give all the information immediately, all the links, because it has all the information in the data center. So from there it will track the information, it will show to the visitor, whoever types the keyword in the Google. So how it works? So how search engine works? Search engine works in three steps. We already discussed this one: web crawling, indexing, and algorithm. What is web crawling? Google has different many spiders. Spiders are nothing but bots, and we also discussed about a South Indian Rajnikant movie when we discussed about this to get the clear concepts. So what this spider will do is, whenever something is published in the internet, the spider will go and it will crawl the entire website, the information or new information or any blog post or anything, and it will collect all the information and store that information in the data center, and it will submit to the Google. And the algorithm is this. We already discussed about this diagram, and what I told you is the search engine will send the spiders through the web to crawl all the information. So these spiders will crawl all the information from all the websites and then bring that information and stores in the data center, and again this data center will be submitted to the Google. So as Google has all the information, so whenever someone types something in the Google immediately shows those links. This is how the Google works. So in real time, how it works? I told you one example. One place, taking one place from the from Delhi. I told you one example, and now in this PPT, it is a place, Kukudpalli, where I stay. So this is a old PPT. So I show to my students. So I'm to my old students. So I'm using the same PPT here. So when someone is searching for Venugopal Swami temple in Kukudpalli, there is one temple in Kukudpalli. So someone doesn't know about this temple, so they will search for that Venugopal Swami temple in Kukudpalli. So then what Google will do is, Google will search for that keyword, Venugopal Swami temple in Kukudpalli. So it will goes to one website, and there it will find Google may find Birla Mandir Venkateswara Swami temple, but the person is not searching for this keyword. Clearly she is searching for Venugopal Swami temple in Kukudpalli. So again it will search for some more sites. There also this keyword is not there. Google didn't find this keyword. Something else like Chilkuri Balaji temple or some other temple. And it goes to few more sites. There Google finds Venugopala Swami temple in Kukudpalli. What exactly the lady is typing, Google found this keyword. So then when this Google found this keyword in those websites, Google will bring all those websites in front of her. Will publish in the front page of the Google. So that's how the Google will work. Google search engine work. This we already discussed in the introduction part. Please go and check that video. I have very clearly explained that one. So now, okay, see, she has typed the keyword, and Google showed that website where the keyword is there. So what are these keywords? We are going to discuss about this in next video. Keywords are very important. Keywords play very important in SEO, search engine optimization. So we are going to discuss that in our next video. Thank you.